20 seconds each one. So let's start and we hope you enjoy.
As we before said, we are Julias because we live in Jula. Her capital is Ho. And the island is situated in Islas Galápagos, in North America, in the left side.
Our flag has a meaning as all flags in the world. Each color represents a characteristic of Pula. For example, the purple color represents that flower that we will talk later. Pink color represents the way that it looks the sunrise, and blue color represents all the sea that involves the island. At the middle you can see the shape of the island, and the shield is almost the same.
Due to invasions that Pula suffered in the past, there are two official languages that are English and Hawaiian, and the mix of that is Enlawayan. We talk that language too because we live near America and near Hawaii. A typical sentence is Aloha Julio, how are you? Pointing to the flag.
In our island, our security is super safe because our Julios are civil safety, and our island we have only.
The gastronomy is based on fruit and fish because of the great deal of them. We have our typical animal that is sharkula, and it's a shark, but don't care if you see it because it's inoffensive. And this margarita that we're wearing in the head is a typical flower, and girls always wear it in the head because boys give to them.
Talking about the government, we have a monarchy that with our queen, Juliana VII, and her daughters, Julia and Juliet. There is no religion because everyone can think about whatever they want, and they are free to believe in whatever God and whatever religion they want.
The 5th of July, we celebrate the day our island are discovered, and the boys have a gift with her lovers and one lover flower, with a typical Hawaiian flowers.
The typical clothes in hula are like this, pink pastel, and girls usually wear skirts while boys are wearing trousers. We don't wear baggy and long clothes because it's always hot and we have 30 or 40 degrees, so we are always with short clothes.
That, as we said before, we celebrate, we are commemorating the 5th of July because on that day Julio Verne discovered hula in his expedition called Round World in 80 days in 1495. And hula was lonely, so Julio Verne decided to bring people here and to create a new nation that is hula.
Our island is famous because we are in a having a first predominant sector. We have a lot of minerals, vegetables, and more animals.
We will have an example of our product.
Yes. And now we will listen to maybe you know this.
Hey, Miami, Obi's back in town. The girl for a solo video. If you think you got what it takes, be in the spotlight of 3. Good luck.
Well, maybe you know that song.
We have collect information about the age of the people in the island, and here we have the results. We have 50-50. That means 50% of the population is over 50 years, and the other 50% of the population is less than 50 years. Usually here in Kula, the people are up to 100 years because of the things they eat and the climate.
The variant of the college we are our official team of football. We are in the first division, and we win a lot of champions and a lot of leagues.
The typical dance in hula, well, there are different types of music, but the most dance, listen and sing, it's a mix of Hawaiian and Tai Chi. As you know, Tai Chi is a slow dance, making judo and karate movements, and Hawaiian is slow too, so we don't have very stressful music at the disco.
Now we will show you an example of that dance. This video was recorded in Hula, and here we have an example of the dance that Maria.
In our island, we are recording a lot of famous movies because the island is beautiful and the beach is super fantastic. And we will show you one of examples with the movies.
And now you will see an example of the movie that it's called Baywatch.
Welcome to Baywatch. Our team is the elite of the elite. We're the heart and soul of this very beach. Come on, Pete, make my pecs a little bigger. And don't talk about my front bump.
You got a huge dick.
Big dick.
And this is a typical conversation.
Where are you going?
I think I need to go to home.
Let's
Let's go! Get a chica!
Maybe you can understand something because it's English mixed with Hawaiian.
That's the example. And well, that's the end of our presentation, and that's the end of our Mesa Cucha. We hope you enjoyed. This is slide number 20, and we will see you in Hula this summer having fun.
Bye,
Bye,
Julius.
Julius.
Bien.